Hello, our project title is Automatic Welding Machine. Myself, Prashant Tamlikar from Electrical Department, and my teammates are Rana Rao from Mechanical Department, Dhanush Wagala from Electrical Department, Gujjal Ikun from Mechanical Department, and our project guide is Professor Satish Patil from EC Department. We are from Vadodara Institute of Engineering.
In mechanical fabrication, almost all processes are done using the automation. Among all this process, welding is the only process which is still done by manually in small scale industry. The reason behind the welding exists robotic arm for automatic welding is too costlier for small scale industry. The manual welding needs skilled labor. To get sufficient skilled labor is also a problem nowadays. The industry have now a depend on the labor for production. Labor must be alert all the time for the quality welding and to avoid accident. Manual welding is too time consuming, which also restrict the production. Here our main aim is to make welding process automatic with the low cost customized automatic machine using PLC for the fixed pattern of welding job. This machine will definitely reduce the human effort and labor cost up to the lot extent. Complete implementation of machine is divided into electrical control circuit, mechanical structure and software. Before the manufacturing of all mechanical part and mechanism, we design it in inventor software which gives 3D view. So we save our time and give perfection in manufacturing. We use Tab 7 Microwin Smart Software for PLC programming by ladder diagram. Electrical circuit consists of PLC, SMPS, stepper driver, stepper motor, relay, limit switch and photoelectric sensor. Three-phase welding transformer is used for MIG welding. SMPS is used to give 24 volt DC from 230 volt AC supply to operate stepper driver. PLC give command to the stepper driver according to the shape of welding job. For each axis, two limit switches are placed from positive and negative direction. Two photoelectric sensors are placed at X and Y axis for identify the reference position. Here, relay is used to operate MIG welding torch. The mechanical structure is made for automatic welding of top sheet of the barrel. Whole structure is divided into three parts. First of all, welding job holding mechanism, second one lead screw mechanism and third one welding unit. In welding job holding mechanism, we have make the two fixture in which first fixture to fix the gun of MIG welding machine and second one fixture which is made for to fix the top sheet of the barrel. Lead screw mechanism which convert the rotational motion into linear motion for axis moment. Lead screw mechanism which is made up of the linear lead screw, guide rod and the carriage which is controlled by the stepper motor. Welding unit include MIG welding, torch and feeder. Feeder will provide continuous feeding of welding coil. The machine has a fixed platform to put barrel disc in which we have to weld. One platform we made two fixture to set position of barrel disc same every time. This will also help to set initial position of welding gun at same place. First we will show you the job mode of mechanism. The X and Y axis mechanism can be operated using 4 buttons, 2 buttons of each stepper motor. I will show you the machine in automatic mode. When we press the start button, the welding gun will start to move in the octagonal shape as we wanted to weld. We have not started welding but we will show the moment of welding gun. we face in mechanical structure. In the first prototype, we also face the problem of buckling due to using of thin MS plate in the mechanism. We have solved that problem by changing the thin MS plate using some extrusion channel. We face the problem of cantilever welding gun as the weight of welding gun is little more, and according to mechanism we can hold it on mechanism from one end only. So we have designed a holder to place the welding gun such a way that the machine will not have problem of cantilever.
So did hard work in PLC programming as we have to synchronize three-stepper motor with PLC program. We have tried various possible combination of logic such that the welding gun will move smoothly with uniform speed. Turning of mechanism is less time consuming. We have used different type of electrical device, mechanical component and different material manufacture our machine. Some components belong to our college. Our machine total cost 1,22,600.
Our project, that is automatic welding machine, is a smart and economical solution for a small scale industry which needs to be fixed the pattern. The machine will increase the production rate and quality of the welding process. The machine is too compact and light in weight, so it is portable and very easy to install. The machine having only 3 axis mechanism, so which is require less maintenance and easy to do maintenance. The machine removes the dependence on a lever, also provide safety to the labor. We have used the PLC to automate the welding process in a fixed pattern. We can change the pattern by using the program in a PLC. Also we can add one or more pattern in a program and select at a time using by HMI. The project can be converted into the product with some improvement in a future.